Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife, and look who's trying to do laundry today. Hey guys! Hey guys! Are you hungry or you want to wash your clothes? Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife. Welcome back to our channel. We've been gone for a while, and my T is not here right now because he's out with Michael and my other son. They're hanging out today, so I thought I'd just pop in. I am doing laundry, and you saw the little guys on the beginning of the video here that are hanging out wanting to do their own laundry. They've been running around the laundromat for a little while here. But anyway, I just want to let you know that we are doing well. I started back on my keto journey because I was gaining way too much weight. Didn't realize it. We both are, but Tony's not going to do keto. I'm definitely doing keto because I know it works for me. Getting past the first few days of it is a challenge, but after you have gone through the few days where you feel very irritable and you're doing well. So far I've lost 4.2 pounds, and I just started, I believe it was Monday, last Monday, so about a week. Well, actually, no, I'm sorry. This past Monday, which is 5 days. I don't know why I'm thinking it's Monday. It's not. It's Friday. So that's not bad for the amount of weight that I've lost. I do my 5-finger guidelines, and if you don't remember that when I did keto a while back, I adjusted it just a slight, where I eat when I'm hungry, stop when I'm satisfied, drink when I'm thirsty. You don't eat any more than 25 grams of carbohydrates per day, and then I split those 25 up to 5 to 7 grams per meal. Sometimes it's a little bit less, sometimes a little bit more, but only on days when I'm really, really hungry, I will go up to the 7 grams in a meal. But most of the time I'm not. I've made fat bombs that are chocolate, coconut, and almond butter that are absolutely wonderful for me. I love them because they take away that hunger feeling that I feel when I don't want to eat anything or I'm not sure what to eat because sometimes I'm looking in the kitchen going, I don't know what I want to eat. So I think when I get home, I'm going to get a quarter-pounder burger from McDonald's, but I'm just going to take the burger and then I'm going to make a gravy with heavy cream and beef broth and put over that and eat that with some green beans. So that shall be delicious for me. So I'm trying to think of anything else that's going on. Grandbaby Amaya is doing well. She's getting so big, and she's walking around, and she saw me a couple of days ago. I was walking past my son's front door, and she came to the front door and said, "Ooh!" And I said, "Hey, baby." I said, "Hey, pretty girl." That's what I always call a pretty girl. And so she ran back and grabbed one shoe, and I said, "You can't go with one shoe." And she said, "Ooh, ooh." I said, "Go get the other shoe." So she stopped and ran back to get the other one. I thought that was so funny. It was so cute. She knew she had to come out with her shoes, because I always tell mom and dad, put the girl's shoes on. She is walking. She needs to walk with shoes on. Anybody who's, up in our generation, my generation, and Tony's generation, you got to have those shoes on. Got to have those shoes on. Walking barefoot is not cool for a little baby. But anyway, that's all that's going on right now. We're gonna get back in the swing of things. You'll see him on the next video, but I just wanted to come and say, hey, and I might stick him here actually at the end of the video just to say hi, so that you know that he's still hanging around. But I am having my delicious coffee, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you guys. Bye. Hey, here he is.
Hi.
Yes, we have been gone for a little bit, but I just wanted to tell you, he's still here. We're still together. We're still hanging tough. And
why wouldn't we be?
Why wouldn't we be? So, anyway, we'll see you on the next video. I got something recorded. I was talking about keto.
Okay,
There's
bye.
Michael. Say hi.
Not on keto.
Not on keto. No, I told you. Bye.